Shalom, this is Ayelet with the word in Hebrew. In this lesson, we will practice reading Hebrew words. To supplement this course, you can get the complete Hebrew pronunciation chart and many more resources on my website, thewordinhebrew.com. And as always, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video below. If you completed the last 5 lessons, you are now ready to start reading Hebrew words. In this lesson, we will do that together and I will guide you through it as we go. We will start with simple one-syllable words and build it up to 5 syllables. With each new word, I will give you a few seconds so you can try and read it on your own. Then I will reveal the pronunciation and give you the translation for that word. By the end of this course, you should be able to take everything you learned here and start reading on your own. Okay, so let's begin. Here is our first word. We will do this one together. Always start from right to left. Look at the first letter and recognize its base sound. Here we have the letter kaf with the base sound k. Then look at the vowel that it has and recognize its sound. This vowel makes e. Add the sound of that vowel to the base sound of that letter. So far we have ke. Now look at the next letter. Does it have a vowel? If it doesn't have a vowel, the base sound of that letter will be added to the sound before it and will close the syllable. If the next letter has a vowel and that vowel is vocal, then you're looking at the beginning of your next syllable, because in Hebrew, a syllable can only have one vocal vowel and up to 3 letters. Here we have a nun sofit with no vowel. The base sound of nun sofit is n, and that sound will close the syllable. So altogether we have ken, ken, and ken means yes. Now using the same principles, take a couple of seconds and try to read this word. And you can always pause the video if you need more time. Lo. No or not. El. El. God with capital G or God with small g. Chai. Chai. Alive or living. Ba. He is or it is coming or came. Nes. Nes. Miracle. Ima. Ima. Mother or mom. Abba. Abba. Father or dad. Melech. Melech. King. לחם, לחם. bread, טוב, טוב. good, בוקר, בוקר. morning, ערב, ערב. evening, לילה, לילה. night, ארץ, ארץ. earth, land, or country. שלום, שלום. peace, or hello. תורה, תורה. Torah, or the law. ברית, ברית. covenant, שמיים, שמיים. heavens, or sky. ישועה, Yeshua. Yeshua is the Hebrew name of Jesus. Yeshua, Yeshua. salvation. אמונה, אמונה. faith. ברכה, ברכה. blessing. אלוהים, Elohim. God or gods. Yisrael. Yisrael. Israel. Yerushalayim. Yerushalayim. Jerusalem. The following words represent some of the special rules we learned in Lesson 4, so you might want to review that lesson to understand these better. Reach. Reach. Smell or scent. Patuach. Patuach. Open. Shaliach. Shaliach. Messenger or apostle. Nichnesu. Nichnesu. They entered, came in, or got in. Yichtevu. Yichtevu. They will write. Chochma. Chochma. Wisdom. You did it! Mazal Tov and congratulations on completing this crash course in Hebrew pronunciation. If you were able to read the words in this last lesson, then you are now ready to start reading Hebrew on your own. If it still feels difficult, just go back and review the previous lessons until you feel more confident. Keep in mind that although this course covers most situations, it cannot cover them all, as in Hebrew there are almost always some exceptions to the rules. But if you apply and practice all the information in this course, you will be able to read and pronounce Hebrew correctly at least most of the time, and as with anything, the more you practice, the easier it will get. So thank you so much for watching and learning Hebrew with me. Feel free to comment and ask questions below. And as always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Thanks again, and until next time, Shalom and God bless.